Section 3.6 talks about multiple and combined assignment statements. Remember, the assignment operator is a single equal sign. And in this particular language, you can use it to assign several variables the same value because this works from right to left. So it associates right to left, means it starts over here on the right. It assigns 5 to z, and since z is 5, that assigns to y. So now y is 5 and that assigns to x. So eventually all of the values get assigned a value of 5. That is called a multiple assignment statement. You should also be familiar with, I kind of call them shortcut statements, but they're what's called an a combined assignment statement. So this applies to all arithmetic operators. You can do plus equals, minus equals, times equals, etc. And it's a shortcut for doing the following. If you have sum plus equals AMT, that is the same as sum equals sum plus amount. And so it's a shortcut just to take and say, I'm going to add this value into the original variable, and then I'm going to save the value of that original variable. Okay? So sum plus equals amount is the same as sum is assigned sum plus amount. These other examples show similarly what would happen. And so the right-hand side over here is one way to write the code. The left-hand side is what I would call the shortcut way, or it's called a combined assignment operation. If you take a look at this expression, if you have an expression on the right, it evaluates order of operations, and it evaluates everything on the right before it multiplies it to the variable, in this case multiplication because it's times equals. So you can have an expression here and that whole expression gets evaluated first. That is it for this section. I am going to pull up a few examples on JDoodle. This example, it says demonstrates overflow and underflow. I must not have copied the right thing. Give me just a moment here. If we go over, I'm going to open up this program in Notepad++, select all, copy, come back over and paste it in. So we have the right code to look at. Okay. And it is program 313 is what it is in your textbook. So we'll put in a comment here. It's source code 313. So if I just take a look at the example here, so we're looking for a multiple and combined assignment. So the multiple assignment is right here, where you have store 1, store 2 are both assigned the beginning inventory. And so whatever inventory, both stores start with the same inventory is what that means. And then if we scroll down just a little bit, this minus equals and minus equals is going to take values out of the inventory. So it's adjusting the inventory in store 1 and the inventory in store 2, and it's using that combined assignment statement.